Good morning, students. Saira. In our last class, we have already understood what is query and how to set up relationship between tables. Continuing with our topic, let us today understand how to create a query in design view. Let us first have a look at the query window in MS Access. The main query window is divided into two panes, top and bottom. The top pane displays the tables selected for the query. In case of multiple tables, the field lists are joined by a line. These joined lines link key fields that share the same field name. The joined lines indicate table relationship that relate the data in one table to the data in another. The selected query table displays a list of fields which you can add to the query. The bottom pane displays the design grid. We can add fields to the query by dragging from the field list to the design grid or by double click on the field. The design grid is similar to spreadsheet with columns representing each field in the query. So this was all about the query window. Further, let us understand the design grid. Field row of a design grid displays the selected fields from the table. Table row displays the name of the existing table. Sort property is used to filter the data either in ascending or descending order. Show row displays a check mark. The fields with check marks display the information when the query is being run. To hide the fields during runtime, uncheck it. Criteria property contains the condition. OR property can be used to set multiple criteria in a query. Students, now we know about the query window and the design grid. Let us further see how to create a query in design view. Open the database. Click on the Create tab. Select the Query Design button. The Show Table dialog box appears at the bottom of the screen. Select the record source of your query either by selecting tables, queries, or both. Select the table students. Click on Add. and then click on close button. Query design window appears. Now drag the fields from the student table window which you want to display. Here we are selecting the fields name. Drag the name field. The address field. And drag the city field and place it in the design grid. Now run the query. So if you see the table consists of the field names, name, address and city, which we have dragged. You can save the query. Click on S. By default, the name of the query will be query 1. Click on OK. The navigation pane, you can see query 1. Double click on query 1. So the table displays. I hope students, you all have now understood how to create a query in Design View. We shall learn about criteria of query in our next session. Thank you.